Hello guys, welcome back to Rajput Tutorials. I hope that you all are having a great day. So today, what are we going to learn? We are all going to learn about the Great Indian Bustard once again. As you all have seen the part 1 of the Great Indian Bustard, this is all about the autobiography of the bustard. The bustard is describing about its life. How is their life, how do they live, what do they eat, and in the last video I explained you all about them, that what do they eat, what do they like, what do they don't like, and what are the season in which they dance. This all things we learned in the last video, and in this video we will see that what are we going to learn. It is very interesting. I hope that you all will like the video. The topic is the Great Indian Bustard. So we are on the part 2 of it. So let's move ahead. Okay. You know that we bird lay egg. So what is the bustard trying to say us in this video? He's saying that हम लोग, the bustard, they lay egg, and each and every bird give birth to their young one by laying egg. So, and our young one hatch out of leg. Yes. So how do the young ones of the bustard come out? They hatch the egg and then they come out. Mother Gib lays just one egg directly on the ground. So why they are saying that mother bustard lays egg directly on the ground? Just because the reason is given ahead, because they don't believe in building nest. They don't believe in building nest means they don't build nest. Mostly we have seen that each and every bird lays egg, and they lay egg on the nest. They protect their young one in the nest only. They don't take the egg out from that nest to protect their young ones. So here the bustard lays egg on the ground, directly on the ground. They don't build any nest. But we have special trick to protect our young one from their eggs. So how do they protect their eggs from the predators? What do you mean by predators? Can anyone say me? Yes, I hope that you all have been knowing that what is predators. Predators are nothing but the harmful creatures, such as the monitor lizard, fox, dogs, and many more animals are the predator of the bustard's egg. They cause harm to their egg and they protect their eggs from these animals. How do the egg of the bustard look like? This is the question which can come. The egg of the bustard looks like a stone. So the monitor lizard, fox, dogs, pigs, snakes, and eagles are the animals of the egg. And chick is nothing but the young one of bustard. So what is the bustard trying to say? That but my wife protect the egg from all of them. So how beautiful is the thing which bustard is saying, that there are many harmful creatures or predators which causes harms to their egg, but their wife of the bustard protects the egg from all of them. Of course, our mother always saves us from many harmful things, and the same way the bustard's wife, nothing but the chick's mother, protects the egg from all of them. So wanted to say you all that this is the egg. This is the egg of bustard, which is looking like a stone, See how is this? It is so hard. It looks like a stone. And this is the wild dog. This is the wild dog which causes harm to their eggs. This is the eagle, the predators of the egg of bustard. Thus there are some many more, that is fox. The monitor lizard also causes harm to their bustard egg. This is the wild pig. which causes harm to bustard's egg. These are the snakes which causes harm to the bustard egg. They all are nothing but the predators of bustard's egg. So what is the bustard saying now? By the time our young one hatches out from the egg, what do the rain arise? So the time when the young one hatches out of the egg is when the rainy seasons come. There are plenty of grass swarming with insect. As I told you in the previous video, what do the bustard eats? They eat a lots of insect. Their favorite is insects. The beetle is their favorite food. So when the young one hatches out, it is rainy season, and there are lots of grass growing near them, and because of that, the water and the grasses, there are many insects roaming around their egg, and they get a fresh food for their family. So fresh food for my family. This is what the bustard is saying. Young one of other birds soon fly away from the nest. Yes. So how? So I told you now that the bustard lay egg directly on the ground, and he's saying that the other bird soon fly away from the nest, but the great Indian bustard mother and chick stay together. So as the other bird fly, the mother of the bustard, the chick and the mother stay together and learn many things. They stay together nearly 1 year. Wow, what a long period they live together. The chick learn many things, good habits from their mother. Of course, every mother teaches a good habit to the child, and the same way the bustard, the wife of the bustard, also teaches many good habits to the child, to the chick. So the same way, let's see what ahead the bustard is trying to say us. Oh wow, so now the bustard is tired, he is saying you thank you for giving your time, and hope you all liked it. I hope that you will like to know more about me. So now what is the bustard saying? He's saying that the ahead part I will say you in the part 3 of my video. So if you want to learn more about the bustard, you all can watch the next video. Thank you so much. Hope you all liked it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.